You need to act as the person that you want to be to become that person. You don't get the thing and then change your mindset. You act as the person and then have the thing. This is exactly what I said about the wealthy people, about something being the result of something versus something being the cause of something. You're saying, when I have more money and it's more comfortable and it's easier and the financial investment is not as scary, there's less risk involved, then I'll make the investment. That's not the version of you that lives a wealthy life. The version of you that lives a wealthy life is the one that says, I'll do it now, I'll do it quickly, I'll do it powerfully, I'll take a fucking risk, I'll bet on myself, I will move forward. That is the version of you that would actually have the life you want to live. You have to understand this point of transcending, which is you don't stay the version of you that you are right now and just keep moving forward, and your outer reality is just going to change. No, you're the version of you that you are right now, and you need to act as the person that would be the future version of you at the end goal, and you act reverse engineering from the end goal. This is Neville Goddard, this is spirituality. Act as if you're that person. Act from the end in mind. Feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled, which is, if I had that money, how would I feel? I'd feel calm, I'd feel relaxed, I'd feel poised, I'd feel graceful, I'd feel decisive, I'd feel clear, I would take the action, I'd make the investment. You have to act as that person before you are that person. That's how transcending works. You don't just wait to the day that you just wake up one day and you're this wealthy, decisive action taker that has the life of your dreams. It doesn't work like that. You have to have courage. You have to have imagination. You have to have vision. You have to actually be that person today before you are actually that person. And then you will actually get to have the things that you want to have. And then you don't have to worry about, changing my mindset. You already are that person because you've been acting as that person, and then you'll get the thing. So the third reason that thinking is keeping you broke is you're thinking from the version of you that you are right now, the person that you are right now. You have to be the person that you want to be, which wouldn't be thinking and over-analyzing, making a financial investment. So it goes back to the point I said at the start of the video. The wealthy people that have the money, they are wealthy because they changed their mindset. They don't have an easier mindset when it comes to spending money because they just woke up one day and Santa Claus delivered them millions and millions of dollars. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.